Good morning, friends. We had discussed about preparation of soil, as you all know, along with the instruments that are useful for preparation of soil. And why this type of instruments are required, that also you know. Today, I have one question about that preparation of soil wala portion. Why plop is having iron covering shield, as you all know, right? This is your homework. Describe the material of soil in your own word. Now, in last class we had studied about hoe and cultivator, right, as you all know, and we had just starting about the soil, right, second phase of agricultural practices. Sowing means selection of seed, then how to sow a seed, right? We all know selection of soil is very difficult, very time consuming, right? Because seeds are basic necessity of the crop. If seeds are not proper selected, then we will not get proper yield, right? So here, how to select a seed? कैसे select करें? If you are providing with so many seeds, how will you be able to select that particular seeds are very effective, some are not okay? So scientists developed one proper and universal technique for selection of seed. First of all, collect the seed that you selected and put it in a big container filled with water. डाल दो. Keep it for some time. Then you will see the separation. Lighter seed and heavier seed. As you all know, if the seed is very light, it will come on the top of the water. And if the seed is very heavy, वो नीचे बैठ जाएगी, right? So which one is important, lighter or heavier? Any idea, any guess? Very nice, heavier seed. Why? Because lighter seed are somewhat defective seed, non-healthy seed, right? So we will not use lighter wala seed which come at the top of the water. But yeah, we just remove all the lighter soil, and at the end of the procedure, we will be having heavier seed, which is very effective, very healthy, and more growing capacity. Now, separate healthy seeds from damaged one is very crucial role, because as water level get disturbed, that lighter seed again sink down. So this is very crucial process, time consuming process, but very easy. Now, sowing instruments are important. Why? Because हम हर जगह पे ऐसे एक एक सीड्स डालने तो नहीं जाएंगे. That is very time consuming and energy consuming. So we developed two kind of instrument for sowing. First one is according to the traditional tool. Traditional tool means in earlier time farmers use a funnel shaped pipe, and that funnel shaped pipe filled with seeds, top, at the top to bottom, filled with seeds. Now funnel pass down through 2 to 3 pipes. funnel के अंदर 2 to 3 pipes होती, and at the end sharp ending are there. Sharp ending means if this is a funnel, then this one is sharp ending, this one, which require to pierce the soil. And if the sharp ending is not there, then seeds are not easily go down and attach to the soil. Now end pipe pierce into the soil and placed seeds there. So piercing is very important. So that's why this end is very sharp and blade-like structure. Again, sowing seed means selection of proper seed. If we are selecting good quality of seed, healthy seed, then we will be getting enough production, enough crop and good amount of crop. Now, from earlier time, scientists developed only single method which is very easy, very economical. Nothing will used in this separation technique. We just take up one big container and that container keep full with water. Slowly, just adding seeds, some amount of seed first time, then again next amount, right? After adding this, observe it carefully for 2 to 3 minutes. What happened? Slowly, lighter seeds come up or above the water layer and heavier seed shrinking down. This is an indicator that you selected some seeds, whether seeds are very good or healthy in nature or not. Lighter seed will not accept it because that seed is totally not in use, or else we can say that उस seed को हम sow करेंगे तो कोई plant grow नहीं होगा. Coming to heavier seed is very healthy. We can use that. Now the second step, separation of healthy seed is very crucial. As any kind of disturbance are there in that water level, lighter seed धीरे slowly shrinking down. So mixage of the seeds are occurred. So slowly as per time consuming, I know this is time consuming method. Slowly just remove all the lighter seed and then take it out the heavier wala seed. Now we separated the seeds according to the separation method. The second step which is very important is to sow the seed. For this we require two tools. One is a traditional tool and second is a seed drill. Seed drill nowadays is very important, very actively used from farmer to farmers. Traditional tool means this tool is having only one funnel-like shape pipe and that pipe internally attached with 2-3 pipes, and the end is very sharp, and because of this sharpness this funnel pierce or penetrate into the soil, and that is very required or very important for seed to go inside the soil. So that's it for traditional tool. Now coming to second, that is seed drill. Very important, very effectively used, which is attached with tractor. Remember that cultivator, tractor driven cultivator, same tractor driven seed drill. Uniformly sow seed. Uniformly means what? If this is a cropland, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 rows are there. So according to the 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. See, space are maintained. Uniformly means space are maintained. If in your classroom teacher told you that sit at the corner, तो क्या करोगे? सब corner पे आ जाओगे. Uniformly you arrange yourself for the examination. Same thing. Raw में uniformly arrangement देखने को. Then proper distance, uniformly arranged plus proper distance is very required. Why? Because to prevent, to save uniformly sow seeds with proper distance. Now ensure seeds cover with soil. This method or this tool ensure that if seed is go inside the soil, then soil should cover the seed, right? So this is very beneficial, very required. Now prevent damage caused by bird. Remember one thing here in this traditional tool, if seeds are upside of the soil, तो क्या होगा? Birds आके seed खा जाएंगे, तो crop या कल्टीवेशन सडनली डिक्रीज, बट यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, सीड अंदर चला जा रहा है, ऊपर सॉइल कवर हो रही है, दैट्स व्हाई इसकी वजह से बर्ड्स कैन नॉट ईट that soil or cannot damage that seed. Save time, labor, energy, as you know. Avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding means what? In traditional tool, one place 5 to 6 seeds are deposited and somewhere only one seed are deposited. Then what? Uniformly distribution are not seen in this method, but this uniformly arranged to avoid overcrowding. Then sufficient sunlight, water and nutrition are also provided or taken up by the seed. As the arrangement is in proper way, then nutrient, sunlight and energy also consumed in proper way by seeds. So that's it about seed drill technique. So up to this class we had completed 2 steps. First is preparation of soil and second is sowing. Preparations of soil is very important. You know the procedure. Now I am just revising again second point, that is sowing. Sowing means sow a seed, right? Seed sow कैसे करें? So first we have to select a seed and selection of seed is put on or based on one technique, higher seed and heavier seed and lighter seed. एज यू ऑल नो, पानी में भरो, सीड डालो, जो लाइटर वेट होगा वो ऊपर आ जाएगा, हैवियर नीचे, जस्ट रिमूव लाइटर वाला पोर्शन. देन ट्रेडिशनल टूल, फनल लाइक शेप, और उस फनल में 2 to 3 पाइप्स आर देयर एंड एंड वन इज वेरी शार्प, वेरी नाइस, और ये शार्पनेस इज हेल्पफुल फॉर piercing the soil. Now the second one, that is seed drill. Seed drill that is attached with tractor, very useful, convenient, energy saving, time saving and labor saving activity. This seed drill technique is very important for uniformly arranged soil. और अगर वो uniformly arranged है तो sunlight, nutrient and water proper distribution हो सकता है. This will avoid overcrowding. Again, this ensure that seed is covered with proper soil to avoid bird damage, right? So that's it about the lecture. Do you have any kind of doubt or any kind of query? You can ask me. Thank you for watching this video.